Welcome to WordPress Monster. This tutorial is about image resizing and background removal. First of all, we will double click and unlock the layer. Then we take rectangular marquee tool. The shortcut is M. Select the area and then press delete button from your keyboard. I am fast forwarding the video here. I keep on selecting the area and pressing the delete button. Now I'm taking the zoom tool for zooming in. Next I will take the pen tool to make selection, and then I will remove those hands. I've taken the pen tool here and now making the anchor points, making my selection here. Next I will right click and make selection. Now right click, make selection, press the delete button. I do the same on the other side as well. I'm zooming in, then I will select pen tool again, make my selection, right click and select make selection and press delete button. Next I will copy this image from here to my new canvas. I will simply take the rectangular marquee tool, this one here, rectangular marquee tool, make my selection, press Ctrl C to copy, and then I will click my new canvas which is already opened, paste the image here, and then in order to transform the image I will click Ctrl plus T to resize. Here I will press and hold shift key for parallel movement. I will place the image where it comes perfect and leave shift key and the mouse both as well, and then place the image. I'm now zooming in. I will now remove the background from the bottom. I will use pen tool once again and keep on adding the anchor points. I'm fast forwarding the video here. I make all my selection and then I will join the last anchor point with my starting point, and then right click, make selection and press delete button. This way this selection will be deleted. Here I am joining the anchor points, right click and make selection. Now my selection is made. I will simply press delete button and this is done. Now I will remove all the residual parts. Next job will be to remove the background from that image, that blue background. As you can see here, the foreground color and the background color are merged, so the Photoshop cannot differentiate between them. So I am using the pen tool here to remove the background around the shoulders and the head. Perfect. Next I will select the background eraser tool, the middle one, the shortcut is E, and now I will make 4 selections. The first one is protect foreground color. Then I will set tolerance. In this case I am using 15% tolerance. Limits discontinuous and sampling once. 4 selections are made, and now I will keep on removing the background. I'm pressing and holding the mouse click and removing in one go. My background is removed. Now I have disabled the background layer and selected magic eraser tool. Next I have selected rectangular marquee tool. I'm zooming in and selected eyedropper tool. The shortcut is I. Picked up the color and using the paint bucket I have matched the color. I'm doing the same on the other side. The color is filled. Now I will refine those edges with the pen tool. Fast forwarding the video. This way I am clearing all the leftover pixels. I'm making the selection and pressing the delete button to clear all the leftover pixels from all sides, and this way I will refine all the edges. Here you can see some pixels are left, so I will select the pen tool once again. Now deleting. This is done. I will do the same on the other side. Take the pen tool once again. Refine all the edges and delete all the leftover pixels. Doing the same here. Refining the edges. Joining, making selection and deleting. I will now save my first image in PNG24 format. I'm using the shortcut Alt Control Shift and S. This will be with transparent background from a website. The next one I will use in JPEG, that will be with background that I will use somewhere else. So the first one is saved. Now I'm going to save the other one, selecting the background layer, enabling it. Alt Control S is the shortcut, selecting JPEG, and now replacing my file, this one here, save. Both images are now saved. I'm now choosing the image quality. My image is now resized. Here is the final image with background. Please give your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching the video.